Boy, if anyone wants to race me, bro,
Fam,
that's your fault. Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Obviously, just me and Adam again. This is actually the same day we filmed the Tokyo coronavirus track one with the loudest C63. But today we're actually taking these two bad boys and we're racing. So it's the GT3RS 911 Porsches. We've got the same one, same spec, everything, just different color. But the difference is, obviously, Adam's been playing for the past week. I ain't been playing. It's not an excuse, but I need to have a few warm-up laps or something. You get me? Let me see. And go. Oh shit! This is what I mean, fam. The back end just went. It does grip though. I know this car grips because I've tested it out, but I've not raced with it.
I'm gonna be concentrating, so I won't be speaking.
Shit! You got to speak to entertain, brother.
Don't worry.
Look, you're taking the wrong line already, mate.
Fuck.
See, this is what I mean, fam.
Nah,
Man's been playing and he still can't. Oh shit! Oh shit, fam. Oh, that's it.
Shit driving, fam.
Now I gotta wait for you to mess up.
Inshallah, that would not happen.
Oh shit. Charles, but Monza's a sick track, man. I love Monza. Especially, boy, if anyone wants to race me, bro,
Fam,
that's your fault.
I was trying to turn, fam.
See, look, my lap's still going. My lap hasn't said lap deducted. You get me?
I was trying to turn. You're just a shit driver, fam.
I hit my brakes.
I know that corner, fam. You have to go slow.
Fam. I hit my brakes.
Man just comes 100 miles an hour, fam. Fam, your brake was me, fam.
Fam, my brake wasn't working or something. It failed.
Your brake was me, fam. Talking about be brake. I braked for you, fam. Joke, man.
This is one corner I need to master.
These two corners. I'm sick at. I know where to brake now. The little cone on the side, it helps you, fam. The little white thing. But you have to depend. You have to know which one it is.
Yeah, sure. I've never driven this car on this track.
Yeah, this is your first time driving. This is like second time driving, actually.
Oh
First
shit.
time was the little Tesla thing. No, actually, the first time was when I first.
No, I've driven it, but not. Yeah.
That's the first time.
I didn't even drive it then, though. That was you driving it through remote desktop, fam.
Nah, you drove it. I just put it in.
Shit. I don't even remember.
We were like half asleep.
Allah, I must have been so late.
It was at 12. Nikki went to sleep.
This is one bad boy whip though, and it just looks so peng. Look at that beauty. Alright, so it begins here, fam. We're on the next lap. This is the most crucial part of the track, is getting your brakes right here. If you perfect the brakes. Is that a second? Oh. Yes, you spun it.
No, I didn't.
Oh shit, man controlled it. But yeah, when we race, man, it is always quite silent because it takes a lot of concentration. People don't realize that. People think it is a game, yeah. It's this is what I mean. I'm talking, I'm not concentrating. But this is simulation, man. This ain't a game. Do you know what I'm saying? Like when I actually like race online or I'm practicing, I'm actually dead silent, just focusing every corner, braking points, everything. See, right now I'm taking wide lines, but I'm not gonna lie, I need to get used to this car.
I'm catching up to you.
I know.
And you like flip and cut the whole corner, fam.
Bro, my forehead feels like it's overheating. This GoPro. Real talk. I got the head mount on today. Hopefully it looks a bit better.
This is another corner. That's a bastard.
No, I love this corner. This is a beautiful corner. As long as you execute it properly. No, only certain cars I can go flat out on that.
This car you can go flat.
You know the M3 GT, is it GT3?
GT3, yeah.
Yeah,
GT,
bro, I love that car, fam. I'm a master with that car.
That's got no like ABS,
no ABS, nothing. But I can leave you even if you have a Lambo. Oh shit!
No, you said that last time and I left you.
Oh shit. No, but that's just lit strictly to do with power though.
No. Oh, I saved it, then I fucked it again. Oh my days.
Hold on. This time I'm gonna try to get a clean lap. Should we start together here?
Yeah, I'm in pits. Go, go,
We're
go,
going
go,
to
go,
pits.
go, go. I'm at 50 right now, so yeah, don't push it all the way.
Wait for you to
Three,
come
two,
out.
1, go, 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 go.
Shit, man's blowing in that baby blue whip.
Miami blue.
So peng, fam. Hit the brakes. Oh shit, ABS kicking in. Can I catch him? All it takes is one driver error and you lose the whole race, you know. One mistake, fam. One corner and it's khalas. I'm catching you though.
Slipstream.
Trust. Oh shit! I'm not gonna lie. No, the brakes are shit on this whip though.
No, the brakes are shit. Man said that.
The brakes are shit, fam. You can't.
They are dirty.
No, you can't brake late in this, man.
I brake late.
No,
Fam,
my brakes ain't working then or something.
A man got new spring, so I'm little. My brakes kind of helping.
Oh shit! I'm losing it. I'm losing it. I've lost it. Alright, come back to pits. Come back to pits, fam.
Come. What? Why are you getting sad for? This I'm beating you in a race.
Me can't take it.
Calm down, what do you
Come on, let's go. Shed of sis. Oh shit! I swear this GoPro's overheating my forehead, fam. I can feel the garmi on it.
The Garmin.
Real talk.
9,000 RPM. Change gears.
Alright, we're gonna have him this time. That was a good
That's
corner.
why I left you at the corner, innit? At the end of the corner. Yeah. See in that head.
We'll see, fam.
Calm. This corner we'll all see. We'll see. This corner. You just start braking when I start braking.
Ha! Ha! Who hit it? Who got the brakes better? Who hit the brakes better? How do you feel, fam? Bro, I can't even have my engine to shift gears.
Nah, you just.
Fam, no, that was perfection, fam.
That's luck, fam.
See, I had 2 warm-up laps, yeah, and now.
Went on the grass thing.
Who went on the grass? Fam? My man hit the apex, fam.
I said apex.
Oh shit! What's this in the middle?
What?
There's a box in the middle of the road. I swear there's a box in the middle of the road.
Waffling. Where? What?
You just went past it.
There ain't no box.
I swear down there's a box in the middle of the road.
What are you talking about?
Oh, lost concentration.
I thought that box in the middle.
Watch when you see the video, you think I'm chatting shit. There's a box in the middle of the road, fam. Look at you, Messi.
Nah.
Where's Lionel?
Flat.
So what? You wanna go back to pits? Third time lucky.
Yeah.
Look at this guy, fam. Now he's worried. He's actually worried now.
I'm not worried.
He's
worried.
worried.
He
knows, fam.
My tires as well.
Man's coming through with the street tires, fam. I don't give a shit. Oh shit! Nearly lost it in the pits.
Now we're gonna lose a little sideways action.
Go on, I'll let you get in front first, just so it's more action for the video. Go on, mate.
Okay.
Let's go.
I'll flash my headlights at you, fam.
I can't see shit. You got a faulty headlight? Oh yeah, I can see it flashing. Fam, you're a waste man.
My brakes are working.
You're a shit driver.
I swear down my
You're a
brakes
shit
are
driver, fam.
No, I swear down my brakes weren't working. I think I broke too late.
You broke the whip, fam.
I think I did. Still.
Hitting the apex. Grrr. Oh shit, it's the moment of truth. The deadly corner. Look again, fam.
My brakes aren't working. My brakes aren't working.
Go back to pits, fam. You're a shit driver.
My brakes aren't working.
Just get in front.
See, look,
I'm back in the pits.
my tires are moving mad.
Go in front.